Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Mistral 7B. So what is Mistral 7B? Mistral 7B is a 7.3 billion parameter open source large language model developed by Mistral AI. In common tongue, it's another ChatGPT but open source like Llama 2, so that you can use it without any restriction. Okay, so I'm going to show you the website of Mistral AI. So this is the website, and here you can see that the best 7B model to date, Apache 2.0. So you can download the model from here in this website, or you can deploy. Basically, you can deploy it on any cloud, AWS, GCP, Azure using VLLM. The instructions are here in this link, and you can use it on Hugging Face. A lot of other performance details are given in this site. You can go to the Mistral.ai site and you can check it all. You can check it out, all these comparisons and benchmarkings. I think within a year you can see a small LLM model on your mobile phones. So that is the growth. Okay, so today what I'm going to show you is I'm going to take LM Studio and load Mistral 7B in short. I can show you this. Okay, so I will take this Mistral 7B instruct model, which is around I think I will show you that Mistral search here. Okay, which is around 3.08 gigabytes of memory, which is very less compared to the base model, which is 13 gigabyte. And yeah, I have already downloaded this model. Now I'm going to chat with this model. That's what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so this is how we operate. Okay, so first of all you need to select the model here, Mistral instruct v01. Okay, so it's loading. Fine, so I'm going to ask the system, who are you? Okay, who are you? It's processing here. I'm a large language model trained by Mistral AI on the data, blah 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 blah. Okay, so it's good. Okay, that's great. So what is the next question? So next question I'm going to ask, I need to know till what date the information is there. So what is the latest iOS version released? Version released. Let's see. Okay, December 2021. So that's the last date. Okay. All right. I think ChatGPT is also December 2021. Oh, I'm not sure about that. Okay. Anyway. Now, next question I'm going to ask, write a Python code for printing prime numbers up to 1000, right? Up to 1000. Let's see. Okay, so it's writing the code. Define is prime number less to, okay, for I in range, number in number square, number root plus 1, number is 1. Okay, if range and print number. Oh my god. So okay, yeah, this is good. So it's writing the code. Now I'm going to write a Python code for game based on text. Okay. Now I'm going to write a Python code for the game based on text prompts, right? Yeah. Text prompts. Let's see. Text-based game. So random, print description, given prompt. You are in a dark cloud room, suddenly you can change. Okay, so this is like choice. If you make a choice, and depending on the choice, it gives you another different types of answers. Okay, so this is play. Prompt is there. You're in a dark room. Suddenly, blah blah blah. Print description prompt. Okay, it's printing is while true. Choice make choice prompt. If choice is investigate. Okay, so if you type investigate, then it's as you investigating the source of the noise, you discover it in key. Okay, choice is take the key. Ignore it. Print description prompt. Okay, so this is going to happen there. And if you input, what do you do? You lower, take the way, run away. Okay, so I need to check this, but it's in the first impression is it's good. It's a working code. Okay. Yeah, so that's all about it. So you can try this out. You can use LM Studio for using different types of model. Actually, you can use Llama 2 and other things. Maybe all the models are available. Hugging Face models are available if the format is GGUF. Okay, so that's all about it. So please go check it out, Mistral AI, and enjoy the party. So that's all about it. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. See you on next video. Bye.